Welcome to a new series of videos. I think we're going to call these product focus. So basically we're going to have a quick look at some of the products in a bit more detail that we can offer here at RJW Customs. Today we are looking at these beautiful usmag Rambler wheels, which for those of you who watch the channel already will know are off of my Chevelle. They're my personal wheels. Yes, I thought we'd have a quick look at them. As you can see, these are in the vintage silver. They look more like a gunmetal grey, and then a machined and polished lip. They have the nice soft edge on them rather than a stepped lip to give you that muscle car look. Yeah, they come in quite a few different sizes. They come in 15, 17, 18, 20 and 22s, and range in width from 7 inches to 11 inches. So quite a big wide spoke depending on what you're looking to go for. Obviously these are 18s to give me that protouring look, but obviously you can go 15s to give you a bit more of a classic muscle car look, and it's just something a little bit different from your typical torque thrust wheel. They come in all the sort of typical American car PCDs, so 5 by 4.75 or 120.65 for the Chevy stuff, or Chevy car stuff, 5 by 4.5 or 114.3 for sort of the Fords and Dodge and Mopar stuff, and then 5 by 127 for the bigger sort of trucks, because these do come in 22s, which is ideal for like C10s and whatnot. And they also come in a 5 by 115. They come in lots of different colours as well. Like I said, these are what they class as the vintage silver, a bit like a sort of gunmetal textured sort of grey centre to them. They also come with a gloss black centre. You can get them in a satin black with a gloss black lip, and you can get them completely chromed. Lots of different options. These are, like I said, an 18. This is an 18 by 8. And just for your reference, that's a 245 40/18 tire on it, and this is a 18 by 9.5, and it's got a 285 35/18 tire on it. Yeah, I think they look pretty cool. They start from about £700 a set. Obviously changes depending on what finish and size you go for. So yeah, hopefully this is giving you a bit of an idea what these look like up close. Let's have a little zoom in and see what you think. So yeah, there you can see that nice big dip. So there you can see that nice big dish on the rear one there. But even the front one that's 18 by 8, still got a decent lip on it. Just obviously it hasn't got the material to be as deep. I believe from memory, they're both ET01. Yeah. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop us a like and subscribe. Like I said, we're going to do this a few more of our products that we sell, so keep an eye out. If there's anything that you want to see a video on, anything that we offer, drop us a message. And yeah, if you're interested in anything like this, send us an email or message, whatever's easiest. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next video.